Hi everyone, I'm Mario Morales, a Mexican PhD candidate in health behavior health promotion at the University of Arizona. This year, I was part of the Global Health Institute summer program. I traveled to South Africa to work with two organizations focused on conservation. On the one hand, Crude Bows Foundation, and on the other hand, Nature's Valley Trust. All of these as part of a collaboration between the University of Arizona and Northwestern University, South Africa. In this presentation, I want to share with you the kind of programs that these two organizations have, the activities that I conducted there, and some reflections around my trip to South Africa. So let's start. In this map, you can see that Nature's Valley Trust is located in the southeast part of South Africa. If you travel from Cape Town to Nature's Valley Trust, you will spend 5 to 6 hours in the car, and in the middle of the road you will find Groot Bows Foundation. I want to present some of the programs that these organizations have. On the one hand, Nature's Valley Trust expertise is on marine and coastal conservation, rivers and estuaries areas, forest and fynbos research. By fynbos, I mean an endemic forest characterized by small bushes and thousands of beautiful flowers. And finally, conservation education, mainly with children and adolescents. On the other hand, Groot Bows Foundation is focused in the following programs: green futures education, conservation research, sports development, enterprise development, and flirtatium, which is a gallery art that is amazing. If you have the chance, please visit their web pages. They are worth it. When I went to South Africa, they expected me to go first to Nature's Valley Trust to learn from there the kind of activities that they are conducting around conservation. So then I could recommend some of their best practices to Groot Bows Foundation. Specifically, I analyzed two reports that Nature's Valley Trust have produced over the years. I identify like the main programs, their characteristics, and then I presented like a summary to Groot Bows Foundation around these two reports. Once I was at Groot Bows Foundation, I conducted like two things. On the one hand, an analysis of data that they had been collecting over the years on the attendance of students to their sports activities. Basically, they were focused on retention rates as part of their programs. And additionally, I developed a survey. I designed an instrument that they will be using to learn about the impact of their sports program in the community, particularly children and adolescents. Afterwards, I have been collaborating with Nature's Valley Trust. We have just finished a manuscript called Preliminary Survey on teleost species richness, abundance, and seasonality in Plettenborg Bay using blue data. And now I'm going to start writing a paper with them on traditional knowledge on whales and dolphins in the coast of South Africa and Mozambique, which sounds amazing. I'm looking forward to read the material that they collected through interviews with fishermen and like local community. Here in this slide, you can see how beautiful is that area. If you love flowers, you're gonna find like hundreds, thousands of flowers that you have never seen before. And if you like kayaking, they have like beautiful rivers. I'm a diver, so I had the opportunity to dive at Plet Bay, and it was amazing. Also, I had the opportunity to learn about other students that were working there. For instance, I had the chance to follow a family of baboons. I felt that I was like part of a Nat Geo experience. It was beautiful. And also I met really amazing people such as KG, which is now one of my friends in South Africa. You can see her like in one of the pictures. After I finished like working for these organizations, I traveled to Kruger, which is like the oldest and biggest like natural reserve, not just in South Africa, but Africa. And I had the opportunity to see for the first time lions, giraffes, elephants, hyenas, you name it. So this experience is not just about like getting like some experience around your area of expertise, but growing as a person and being exposed to different cultures, learning about like new environments, like natural landscapes. For instance, while I was there, I had the opportunity to be counting whales in the ocean, measuring trees in the forest, collecting and extracting pollen from endemic plants. So it was a unique experience. Here in this slide, you can see in the left the faculty from Northwestern University that supported me to travel to South Africa. In the middle, my colleagues from Ruth Bose Foundation, who organized a lovely and fancy dinner before I departed. And in the right, the director of Nature's Valley Trust, who is an amazing human being. He spent like 3 years of his life following lions, like giraffes, and many different species across Kruger Park. Like hearing all his stories was like something that I'm not gonna forget. And here also, I have met like wonderful people, very supportive people such as Roxana, who was an amazing facilitator. Also, my peers from the GHI program. Now I have like a close friend as part of this experience. Sherry in the left, she also like traveled to South Africa, and and I'm sharing this so you know that you will be like learning from other students who are like very committed and interested on conducting like research, but more important, like contributing to society. So if you are thinking about being part of the GHI community, I completely encourage you to do so. This has been one of the best experiences in my life, and I would like you to be part of this. If I can be helpful in any way, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm sharing my email address, and please like apply and dream about these experiences because they are worth it. Have a good day and bye.